highly impossible unless you have elephant of resources. So this is what I have. So now once we all understand the context very clearly, so I would like you to take you through some of the principles which we learned in a very tough time of our journey of 8 years of enterprise grade mobile applications. So where we say implement feature and support feature variants. So what we are saying yes, every feature is very important, but don't limit. Make sure you have it by design. You actually also take care of variances. How do you support anything can be changed? So that is what all those complexities saying. SDKs evolve, software requirements evolve, and there are different standards, different versions of the same thing. But for all these, they are indirectly telling you, I am variable anytime, either now or in future or anywhere. So that is where we say, every object and class should be able to support variants at a field level and method level. And also think about object code reuse, not limited to single source, not limited to just Java source, but also rethink about resources, where you want to reuse images, you want to reuse audio and video and text. So why do we say this is what actually exactly people try to fit in different media, different text for each device, and different source code. I mean, we have something called magic numbers, so which I will actually give you an example of it. Also, don't depend on a plugin approach. Have an intelligent build script which actually makes you very, very professional and very easy for changes to happen. And you should also have a way to custom device configuration, so that you will, if the new device comes, it's some simple, you have to introduce a new device configuration and you are done. You are able to adopt to new SDK. Also try to use for all these, you actually Java has already given you a lot of strength. Object oriented has given you a lot of strength. Only thing is people don't think at root level to fix it. For example, source path, you can actually it's very dynamic. You can actually build per device, so that you are able to really manage the complexity of fragmentation. Similarly, class path. Similarly, definition of devices. You can have your own definition of devices, and you should. So even also you have to very systematically install SDKs, so that you are able to have multiple SDKs evolved. I will demo all of them, but I'm just trying to see how much you can digest it now. And keep evolution in mind. As I said, this fragmentation we are seeing as a problem because of the mobile penetration. But this is there from day one the software is coming. And it is aggravated now because there are massive uses of mobiles. So I would now